Hello Capricorn, welcome to the channel. This is Lady of the Throne and I'm back with your love and spiritual guidance from June 16th to the 30th. As you're watching Capricorn, please keep in mind that these messages are general and it can resonate. Sometimes it doesn't resonate, but I also suggest waiting until the end of this time frame to allow the events to take place. Also, if you're interested in going deeper after this and you want to know more about this connection, then I do recommend getting the extended version of this. In the extended version, you're going to get information that is going to help you come together with this person or work things out. Secrets will be revealed. Their true intentions and what they really want will be revealed as well. You'll have access to that video to watch as much as you want. So check that out if you're interested. Capricorn, let's get started. So June 16th to the 30th, how are you going to be feeling about this person that you're interested in? This is someone who you feel a little worried about this person at this time. It's about where you stand with them. You're getting a little worried here. And it could be because you need to know, how does this person feel about you right now? Will they say anything to you? Will they leave any clues to let you know that they're still interested in you, that they still like you, that they're still interested in dating you maybe? Or maybe you're waiting for something more concrete, more stable, or more real. When you two connect, you don't have any questions. But when you're at a distance or when this person is being distant from you, then you start to wonder, will you guys ever bond again the way you were? You could be wanting to spend time alone with this person or wanting privacy with them. I get a sense that this is mainly coming from a high sex drive at this time. For a lot of you, your sex drive is really higher than normal. And you may be into typical romantic things that you want to experience with this person, or intimate things that you want to experience with them. But whoever it is that you're interested in, Capricorn, you're feeling them pretty hard. And I feel like you want this person real bad. You have something that tells you that this person, you just have to experience this person, even if it's just like one time or something, or a couple times. Like, you have to feel something with this person. Like, you can't just let this connection just go fade out, because you knew you felt something, and you know that this person felt something. So you just feel like you have to experience something. It's something about this person that you like, the attention that they give to you, or you like the way they make you feel. You could like the way they touch you. You could like the way this person says certain things to you. It's something that you're interested in, but you're very attracted to them, or you're very attracted to their energy, or both. This person, this is someone who feels tired of being confused by you, because you confuse this person. It's not like Capricorns are the most sensitive. You're not the most romantic. You're not the most showy when it comes to being flirty. You're not the most flirtatious sign. And this is all true astrologically. So this person sometimes gets a little thrown off with your energy, because for them, they get a little confused sometimes. But this confusion that this person is feeling about you is making them want to kind of settle down with you at this time, or want to be with you, or want to, be intimate with you, but they don't know how to tell you these things. This person also could have been hearing rumors about you recently, that they're now walking away from the rumors that they were hearing. They were hearing things about you. It could have been that they heard that you were in a relationship with someone. They found out it wasn't true. Or they heard that you had a sexual encounter with someone, but they found out it wasn't true. They could have heard that you didn't want to deal with them, but recently they found out that that wasn't true. You do. You could have said something about them. Somebody could have told them something that that someone probably was being a little messy, saying that you said this or he say, she say, and this person found out that even if it's true or not true, they don't care. Like, this person is walking away from the rumors, the lies about you. This person wants to avoid all of that. So they just want to focus on the two of you right now. They're trying to find a way to attract you more, or to find a way to show their love to you. Okay, so that's what they're trying to do, because they get confused by your actions, because you're not always in that romantic space with them, and they don't really know how to read you sometimes. So they would rather just, like, it may seem like they've been keeping their distance from you, and now it has you a little worried about how they see you now. But they've been doing this because it's something about rumors. Okay, it's either that they heard something that you said or did, or about something you did, or it may not be that way. It could be that they get a sense, or maybe they can pick up that rumors about you has been coming up, or maybe rumors about them. That's what I'm getting, because it could be that people have been telling you things. There's been rumors about them that are not true, and now this person's like, look, I don't care about the rumors that you heard about me. I don't care about what you heard about me, what people are saying about me. I don't really care. I just know I want to focus on you. Don't worry about what people are talking about, So it could be like that. Like, maybe you've let other people kind of taint your vision, your view of this person, taint your perception of them. Maybe this person is not the person that people want to make them out to be. So it's like you have to have a real moment where you just sit back and you see this person for who they really are, and then you'll change your perspective back to the way it used to be with this person, because you could have let somebody or a group or whatever taint your perception of them. So it could be either way here. So this person and how they see you, Capricorn. This person sees you as, I'm sorry, how you see them. I apologize. How you see them. You see this person as ready to move forward with their life, ready to move things forward. You see them like ready, like they're prepared to make a move forward. This can be without you, or this can be with you. Okay, it can be either one. But the way they feel, it seems like they want to move with you, like they want to be in your energy again. They want to make progress with you. That's what it seems. The way you see this person is someone who is tapped into their roots. Now, if you guys are dealing with someone who has a ancestral bloodline connected to Africa, then that's really strong. This is something that you can see in this person, especially during this time frame. Something about their African roots here. You see them having a certain style like that too, where their style could be changing, or maybe they are surrounded by more African inspired things, whether it's clothes, food, people, music, or they are truly, their DNA goes back to Africa and they are embracing their real roots. So it can be that for some of you. For others of you, it doesn't have to be Africa. It could be anywhere in the world. You also feel like this is someone who is very intuitive, highly intuitive and psychic. They have a very strong third eye, or a developed third eye. This is a person who Capricorn, that they know like so many things. You even could see this person as having eyes that can see everything, right? Nothing gets past this person. This person sees everything. Even if you don't think that they can. Even if you try to do something behind this person's back, they can still see everything. So it could make you a little bit nervous when you're around them, because maybe you feel like they're looking straight through you. And I feel like they can, but that could be the feeling that this person gives to you. They're deep and mysterious, this person. Also, that they keep a lot of things about their culture, what they believe in, their spiritual beliefs. They keep a lot of that tucked away. And it is because this person is a very powerful person. And that's what you see, Capricorn. You see how powerful this person is. They're like a warrior spirit, or a person who's strong and fierce. This is a person who is guided by God and also able to give guidance as well. This is a person who is discovering the roots, their origins of their past or past life. This is a person who is definitely on their own spiritual journey. And I get a sense that you respect that. And now you understand that. This person here, how do they see you, Capricorn? They see you as being able to manifest things that you want. You could have manifested this person into your reality, or you could see them as a person who's good at manifesting. They see you as a person who's good at manifesting money. You could just be good at calling things out and it happens. And you may not have known that you are able to do that. Maybe you can also be the kind of person that can attract them, or you have attracted them through your power of manifesting them into your life. And so this person, I feel, wants to celebrate you, Capricorn. They are celebrating you. They feel like you're now rooted, and now you understand where you come from too, through them. Like, you're understanding what the bigger picture is about spirituality, what this person is trying to do for a lot of people and for the world. This person now understands that you now understand this about them, and now they understand that they have helped you with this. They have helped you manifest that light that you needed. And this is a person who sees you as forever changing. You're always changing. You're always willing to learn. They see you with your hands open and ready to share abundance with everyone. You're always giving. You're a very generous person in this person's eyes. I'm also getting that they see your vajayjay, to be honest with you. If you're a female, this person is highly, watch this time frame right here. This person is highly attracted to you sexually, just like you are to them. So you guys are going to have a really, really flirtatious energy toward each other. But overall, this person sees you in a new vibration. They know that you're waking up. You're starting to open your eyes and see how you are really connected to your roots. And they're teaching you things about who you really are, your spiritual DNA. They're teaching you about ancestors. They're teaching you things. They're showing you things about, like, all these other things that you probably didn't think that you were connected to. This person is trying to tell you that it's bigger than America, right? It's larger than this. There's a whole other world of people who are totally different. You can't have a small mind, Capricorn. Like, you can't just think on a city level. This person wants you to think on a whole other level, right? A bigger level. Like, you need to connect with people, right? Network and things like that, so that you can understand what the mission really is. That's what this person is around you for, okay? I feel, for a lot of you. But this person just wants you to celebrate your creativity, eat good food, dance, love on your body, be yourself. You don't have to pretend to be anyone else but yourself. If you've been caught up in some type of cycle where you have been feeling like you have to be like other people, or you find yourself being inspired by other people and doing what they do, this person's like, no, just be you. Just be yourself. Identify who you really are. And own it and love on you. Don't worry about other people. Don't worry about all of these rumors that you're hearing about me. Don't worry about these rumors that you're hearing about, like, what people are saying around us or around this connection that we have, because people are really doing this because people can't believe that they are who they are, Capricorn. Like, it gives me an energy of a superstar, a celebrity. So either you or this person is, what I strongly feel like is this person, Capricorn, who you're interested in. They have a celebrity status, or a person who is very popular or famous. That's what I'm getting here. For some, it doesn't have to be everyone, but this is a person who is like, listen, I'm famous. You're going to hear a lot of things about me even before you meet me, even when you first meet me, whatever. Like, you're going to hear so many things about me. That's a part of the territory. But what I need the Capricorn to do, I need the Capricorn to understand what is actually going on, and the fact that it's not about the fame. What it's about is the heritage, the legacy behind my name. And that's all I have for now. There's more. I want to get deeper and talk about more of the romantic side of things. So if you want the extended, get it. Check out the description box down below. Thank you.